I was told by Patrick Kison, especially he said to me, for me, best pills Arnel G. Castillo, Lan Salvacion, and even um, who is it aside of Lan Salvacion? Asedio Jean, oh. What does Patrick Kison said to me, oh? What does Ate Mirasol Siaco said to me, oh? Stop this spamming and adding my relatives in my GC. Even Ate Mirasol said to me, oh, why did you add Kuya Jojo Makalintal in GC? Oh, that's Ate Mirasol Siaco. Oh, what does Patrick Kison said to me? Why did you add your relative in the GC, Kuya Jojo? Oh, Patrick Kison said to me, because me, it's really disturbing. Oh, as perhaps I say to Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, and Asedio Jean, and Lance Salvacion, please stop. Oh, you know me, I already warned my former classmate, Paula Nunez. I told her, Paula, wag mo kasi aalay si Best Pills. Oh, do not defend Best Pills. If you defend Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Asedio Jean, and Dan Salvacion, they will possess you a demon because they are demons. I say to her, if you don't want to be a demon, if you don't want to be possessed by a demon, you have to trust Jesus. Oh, perhaps for me, I say to everyone, folks, for me, best pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Lance Salvacion, and even Asedio Jean, all of you should never make stupidity in social media. Just like I was told by Patrick Kison, or just like I told by Ate Mel Canete, and even na I just told by uh, Kuya Jojo Makalintal, Ate Miro Solsiaco. Like I said, tigilan mo na yan. That's why you have to stop this. Oh, in Filipino, tigilan, that is the word, stop. Oh, enough about the stupidity. Oh, all of your stupidity, that's enough. Oh, I say to Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Lance Salvacion, and Asedio Jean, enough of all of your stupidity. In like I said, in Filipino, tigilan mo ninyo ang mga kalokohan nyo. That's why. Because if you make a foolishness or kalokohan or stupidity, don't make any stupidity. Me, I already stopped making myself a stupidity in social media. Just like what I did to David Gill, or just like I did to Teacher Gio, just like I did to Teacher Vincent Ramos, or just like I did to Rodelio Daguman, and even just like I did to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez and Sir Calvin Cuevas. Oh, that's creating stupidity. I mean, I end up my stupidity because that is all my consequences. Oh, and so when Kapitana was there, oh, and Mr. Dennis Gill was there in barangay, we talk each other in barangay, oh, in a hearing, oh, because like Mr. Dennis Gill told me, you have to stop with your stupidity and your foolishness. Oh, just like what I did to the Santa Maria de la Estrada, just like what I did to the church. Oh, after I did it to Paula Nunez last July, last 2021 during pandemic. I did it to Teacher Vincent Ramos during pandemic. I just did it to Teacher Gio Malana after pandemic in 2024, and I made a fake account. And I have to stop this. Oh, for me, best pills are Nel G. Castillo, Asedio Jean, and Lance Salvacion. When Patrick Kison says to you, oh, You have to stop all of your stupidity, o in Filipino, tigilan ninyo ang mga kalokohan nyo. That's why you have to stop, o just stop it. Because if you make a stupidity in social media, I say to you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Asedio Jean, and Lance Salvacion, and all of you don't know about Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. This is why David Gill says to me, this is why Ralph Rana says to me, oh, you don't know a cybercrime, oh. That is a cybercrime. You know, for me, folks, let's refrain about bomb joke, wars, rape, and what so kind of violence anyway. When I was told by Luis Cabales, that's enough. This will cause all of you are being a foolish and stupidity. And I say to Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Asedio Jean, and Lance Salvacion, just stop it already. Tigilan ninyo yan. That's why. And you know, that's Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Here in the Philippines, there is a cybercrime. Oh. In US, I was told by Patrick Eason, there's no cybercrime here there in US. So, here in Philippines, we have a law. Oh, if you mention about Edgardo Angara, oh, who signed the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, it has to stop. Oh, like I said, oh, what was I was told by Ate Mirasol Siaco and Patrick Eason said to me, oh, you have to stop what you're doing in Facebook or Instagram, because that is not good. Oh, I praise Patrick Eason, I praise Ate Mirasol Siaco. They said to me, don't make a group chat, oh, don't add my son Paulo Siaco in group chat in Facebook, oh. And Ate Mirasol Siaco said to me, don't tag Paulo Siaco in the Instagram during the incident of Nanay Ningning that I call her an asshole, oh. In chat in Instagram, oh, that's not good. According to my opinion, and I say to Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Asedio Jean, and Lance Salvacion, enough about all of your stupidity, alright? Because tigilan ninyo yan, ang mga kalokohan nyo. That's why you have to stop. Just stop, oh. Me, when I learn how to stop, I stop harassing Rodelio Daguman, oh. I stop harassing Ma'am Jessa Fernandez. That's all I can do is to stop. Oh, stop. Oh, it's better to stop. Oh, if you're in a red light, oh, stop. Oh, I say to Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, oh, I say to Asedio Jean and Lance Salvacion, all of you should stop this. Oh, why can't all of you just make your own blog on YouTube? I say to Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, or Best Pills, you make a YouTube blog like Lloyd Cadena, or Madam Ellie, or you, Asedio Jean, you make your own blog like JP Pinoy, or you marry a Japanese man in Japan, or imitate JP Pinoy, and you, Lance Salvacion, why can't you enroll in college? Or there's a college in UP Diliman. Oh, there's a college in Quezon City or Manila, UP Manila, UP Los Baños. Oh, there's Ateneo de Davao. Oh, there's other schools in in Pasay City, or National University, or NU, or eh, that's good to all of you. make your own blog, make your own society, and study your own work. You go to school, I say to you, Lance Salvacion. Oh, that's better.